Hello everyone. Today I am doing the dip technique on canvas. I'm reusing my old canvases. I have got the masking tape at the back so it doesn't get too much messed up. What I have done marking on this plastic sheet which I'm going to use, and I will dip that one. So I have got my two little helpers here who's going to help me to pour some paint in. So can I have you, Hisha, please? Choose any color, any paint color, and we're going to start dropping. So yeah, open that one. I get this one. I got yellow. You got teal. So like just like this, yeah. Put next to it. Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry if you drop a little bit more. That's okay. So we put in a line so we remember next time, Misha. Okay? Now I'm going to put some blue there. Take this one, Misha. That goes next to blue. A little bit more. That's it. Well done. I haven't got much blue, the sky blue. See how it goes. We've got so many other paints, so don't worry about it. Don't need to close it here, because we keep using those until we get to the point when we don't need paint. Okay, so I'll put my yellow again. I'm just trying to cover what I have made here, the marking for. So that's the main purpose. Now I use my black just there, just like this, making a line. This is just an experiment how it turns out. We have to make sure we cover properly the paint, because that's the only paint will be going on canvas. So let's start from yellow again. It will look totally different. What it looks right now, it won't look that way. It will look totally different. Yeah, you can go on, Isha. Just be careful about this one. You're tall, nice. That's it. So then purple, you take that one. We haven't got that much color paint on that one. Never mind. We're still alright with the paint. Okay, hold like this. So this goes on the top. It doesn't touch the paint on the bottom. Yeah. Keep pressing. Yeah. That's it. And got green. What's that? This one. Fill that bit. And I got yellow again. Okay, I'm using white now. That's like a negative space. Okay, so we start again. Okay, go on then. You have to hold it like this so you don't touch the bottom. That's it. Do you want to try, Sohan?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, let us finish this one and then you can come here. This one hasn't got much, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Here we go.
Getting to the point when I'm going to make it lie down. So okay, so when I finish this one, you do the next line, okay? All right.
Guys, when you do music in your video, remember you got to speak really loud.
So my little YouTuber getting into the YouTube right now and advising everybody what to do when he actually doesn't know. There you go. Go on. Let me just put black here. Do you like it so far?
Yeah.
It will look lovely. It will look totally different. What it looks right now, it won't look at all. Alright, yellow. You have to hold it like this. This goes on top like this, okay? So pour your yellow there. That's it. Well done. Now what next color?
Blue.
Paint. I keep calling. No,
Colour.
you have to go in this line.
Oh yeah.
So this one. Do it. I'll hold this for you. That's it. What's the next one? Was it this one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hisha knows. Come on. Show me. Okay. Purple. This one. Purple look like more chocolatey, isn't it?
Yeah, but there's purple don't have much paint left.
Oh, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Not green. This one. We're running out this one.
Yeah, a lot. Really.
But never mind. Oh, you want to do it? Sorry. I started doing myself. That one? Yeah, go for it. That's it. See, it touched. That's why I said. Isha, can you get some tissues from that, please? There you go. You have to hold it like this so that can go on top. Yeah? That's it. Okay. Okay, what negative space do I need now? I used the black one last time, so Isha knows. Which one?
White.
White this time.
White.
So, here is my negative space. Now we're going for the last one. So, Isha, do you want to carry on? So, you help Isha as well, yeah?
Should I do half and he should do half?
Oh, we could do that way.
Saham and then me, Saham.
Do alternate, yeah? So Isha is doing yellow, you do this one, the aqua green. Yeah, that's right. Just cover this line, so no, because it's the last one.
Yeah.
So we need to make sure it covers full canvas. Okay, you got that one? That's it. That's it. That's the easy way to do it, isn't it, Hisha? Then
Yeah, if you don't even have,
there you go.
if you don't even have one, and whoops,
That's alright.
whoops, another whoops.
Because this one hasn't got much paint on it, that's why. Doesn't matter. Oh, that's brilliant. Here you go, green, Saham.
Okay.
Isha, come on. That's it. And last yellow one. Oh, can we just cover that one a little bit more? And then yellow. Do you want to do it?
No, I'm just doing that. Good.
That's it. Okay, I need to put some more here
Yeah.
because it hasn't got much there. Okay, now I need this green to cover this bit here. What else missing, Isha? This one.
Nothing.
And purple.
Purple.
And blue. Purple is running low as well.
That blue. Yeah.
That's it. Okay, now the next step.
Yeah.
Next step, I've got canvas here.
Yeah.
I'm just going to hold it like this and I'll make sure it goes on the line where it meant to be. So I need to make sure. Put canvas
When it has a lot of bubbles, you need that.
Oh no. Alright, so I got my canvas here. What I need to do a little gentle touch. I'm going to use this one. So touch the paint everywhere. I've got big masking tape at the back, which is causing a little bit trouble right now. Now I need your help, boys. So not the boys, boy and the girl. I haven't got boys right now. Okay. So you hold this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hisha, can you hold this part there? And I'm going to put something there.
Oh. Sorry. That's okay.
Okay. Now I am lifting my canvas. I have to be very quick when I lift it up. So, ooh,
Cool, guys.
look at this.
Yeah.
How beautiful it is.
Wow, it's really cool. It's epic.
It's epic. Okay, so since I have got so much paint still there, so what I'll do, I'm dipping my another canvas as well. Does it need a little bit more paint? No, it doesn't.
No, that's fine.
Okay, so I am dipping my
Oh, yeah.
another canvas. I just need to make sure it covers all the way.
Mummy,
Hmm.
I'm doing the thing what you told me to do.
Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so keep holding, guys, yeah? Ooh,
Wow.
look at this.
Yeah.
How beautiful. Now, since I have got my
Incredible.
canvas like this, what I need to do, I need to touch the sides. To get rid of this bit here. Need to touch side like this. Cool, isn't it, Hisha?
Yeah.
Your Massey is clever, isn't she?
Yeah. How are you gonna do that?
I'm going to touch that one as well, same way I done all others. So you can have a look at this one. All the way on the sides are done as well. All the sides done. It's a little bit, touch this one a little bit more. And I'm going to put it here. Alright. Now I'll touch this bit here. Just need to make sure you touch the paint and have enough paint. So that's done. Yeah, it's cool. Looks cool. And this side. Brilliant. So you can have a look now how beautiful it looks. I will torch that one and I'll let it dry.
Wow.
Finger crossed it dries well. Thank you guys for watching. Even this one looks really nice. I'll probably let it dry it and take the skin out once it's dry. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.